Okay guys, so here this is a demo of delta exchange working with TradingView's webhook. So you can see that I have triggered a couple of webhooks here. So first alert was generated and it entered a buy position, a long position for one contract, as you can see over here. Namaste traders. In this video I'm going to show you how to use delta exchange India's webhook feature for TradingView strategies. So you have to log into your delta exchange account and you have to come here and go to this trading bot section. In this you have to name your webhook. So I'm just giving it any name like this, and then you have to select your account, and then you have to select the source as TradingView. You have to check these conditions over here, and then you have to create webhook. So once you enter the email verification code and the two-factor code, you have to enter that, and then you have to create a webhook. So once you enter it like this, then you will be taken to this screen which says your webhook created successfully. So to run it, you have to select a strategy, then open the strategy setting, set the desired quantity, and then you can create the alert. So there is a tutorial link which you can click and see, but basically the alert message has to be this one exactly as copied. So you copy that, and then you come to your trading view like this, and then whichever strategy you are running, you have to create an alert like this, and you have to paste the message over here, and in notifications you have to paste the webhook URL, the URL which is there below. So you have to copy it, and make sure you copy and save it in a document securely somewhere, because after you close this window, this URL and this message and strategy ID, everything will be lost. So make sure you copied the webhook URL somewhere and you have entered it over here like this, and then you can set your other parameters, and you can give it a name. So you can give it a name like this, and then you can set an expiry date for your alert, and then you can create the alert. So once you create this alert, it will be shown like this. So the properties order size, here is where you configure the quantity in number of contracts. So remember to set that before you create the alert. So once you create the alert, you just have to wait for the corresponding test alert to be fired. Okay guys, so here this is a demo of delta exchange working with TradingView's webhook. So you can see that I have triggered a couple of webhooks here. First alert was generated and it entered a buy position, a long position for one contract, as you can see over here. So this is the active position which is currently running, and this is the corresponding chart entry for the signal. So we are still waiting for this position to close. So once it hits this stop loss or target, it will exit this position, and this position you can see in your orders history, and you will be able to see all your order histories. So you can see that we bought one contract of BTC USD, which is the currently active position that we have. So we don't have any other positions. So let's wait for the exit alert to fire for this position to exit. So I think it's just about to hit the stop loss. So let's see if it hits it. We'll get an exit alert and it will just exit. Any moment now it should exit the position, as it's very close to the stop loss. Okay guys, so as you saw, it exited our position, and if you go to the order history, you will be able to see that it fired the exit alert, exit sell order. So buy order was for the entry and sell order was for the exit. So this is how the webhook integration with TradingView and delta exchange works. So I hope you like that, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. And if you would like me to build your custom algo, then also click on the link and in the pinned comment, and we can discuss. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me and feel motivated to make more videos like this for you guys. So thank you.